Hello guys, this is a new what if call. Please don't judge me. I know I'm doing many what if, but I do love this kind of what ifs making. Now this is a what if I wanted to make for some days. Now Izuku have his mother quirk but stronger. I mean, you know Mob Psycho from anime? Yes, his power. Now in this what if Izuku will be taking now. First I'm going to do something now. In this what if Izuku will not be emotionless. He will have emotions, but he will not be shy and he will be confident. Now let's start. Now first, Izuku when Izuku was about to be born. Now Inko knows that her telekinesis is not even stronger. Now her husband did not left, but her husband is on overseas. Yes, overseas for work. Now Inko suddenly feel her telekinesis is getting stronger. Now what she did, she tried to pick up little bit of heavy stuff. Now the heavy stuff was not the fridge really. She wanted to pick something from, let's just say she wanted to pick up the fridge. She wanted to test it. Now to her surprise she could pick up the fridge. Now it was something else for her. Now she thought maybe her telekinesis gotten very stronger. Now yep, she's gone lazy here. She using her every bit of power. Even she doesn't even try to walk, she just flies now. Now her telekinesis is strong, yes, but in this time Izuku was in her stomach. Yes, she now let's get to part where Izuku is born. Now Inko can feel her telekinesis is just got it was way before everything started. Everything was before. Her telekinesis just got weaker. She could feel it. Now she tried to lift up the bed, but suddenly she cannot even lift up anything. Now she could only lift a spoon and other stuff. Now this was surprising to her. Now she thought what happened. Now doctor hand Izuku to her. Now she can feel an overwhelming a pressure from baby man. He is giggling, having fun with his mother. Izuku is having fun with her mother. Now what happened here? The doctor was doctor. No, not the doctor. There was a doctor with a cork of acid. Yes, an acid cork. Now what happened? He suddenly dropped a pole of acid. Not pole of acid. He using his cork to split acid. So suddenly he just sneezed and acid was spilling from his hand. Now about to get into the babies. Now Inko is trying to protect. Now what Izuku did unknowingly to him, he just lifting up. The acid did not fall. It was just floating. Now the acid it went to the other part. Now the acid went to the other side of the bed. It fall at the other side. Now they thought what? Now Inko thought that her telekinesis protected her, but she just finally realized Izuku has a quirk. It was him from all along. When he was not even out, she could see Izuku's glowing green eyes, and a green like aura always surrounding him. Now she just said, "Doctor, I guess my baby boy has a quirk." Said, "Huh?" Then doctor could see practically why she said. They could see Izuku's little green eyes having glows and glow. And now doctor tried to testing her son. Now they see he's quirkless. Said, "Ma'am, he's quirkless. How come he has a quirk?" Now yes, they test him earlier a little bit. Now the testing happened. Now Inko went a little bit of sad. Now she thought it was her. Now suddenly doctor was dropping. The doctor just dropped Izuku suddenly. It was mistakenly he dropped. Now Inko was screaming. Suddenly Izuku just started floating. and Izuku just went to his top of her mother. I mean, not top, just floating around his mother. Now the doctor were completely confused. Said, "What? But he's quirkless." Now Inko said, "So my baby boy is special." Now Izuku laughed at this statement, and with Izuku's just little bit of giggling, everything around them getting, refreshed and fresher. They can feel they are in heaven type of something. Yes, and you feel you are in heaven. That now Inko thought that her baby boy is special always. Now Izuku here. Now we just time skip to 4. Izuku and Inko. Now Izuku most of the time watches All Might because he wanted to use one of those punches. Now in school, Izuku wanted to try one of the punches that All Might uses against a villain. Now he doesn't know what All Might do, but he punches the trees. The trees just shattered. Every partner, all the school said, "You have a quirk. You have a quirk." Oh. Now they contacted Inko. Now Inko came and take Izuku home. Said, "Izuku here. Well, I have something to tell you now." Said, "Yes, Mama." Said Izuku. Said, "Yes, Mama. What is it?" Said Izuku. "Listen to me, dear. You see, you are special. You were born with your quirk, huh?" Izuku didn't understand at first. Now Izuku is mature for his own age, so he can understand. He said, "Huh?" Said, "When you were born, you had this quirk. So do not worry. You are special. You are special, son." Said, "Oh, okay." Now what Izuku did is Izuku discovered something new, that whenever his emotion getting stronger or having emotion, he can power up Inko. He can give little bit of spiritual power to Inko. Just 1% of his 99. Now 1% was given to Inko. Now she can feel her spiritual power back. Said, "Izuku, what did you do?" Said, "I don't know really. I just thought of giving you power, and this happened." Said, "Oh." Now Inko tried many things. She can now fly. This man, her telekinesis is not. It's not level of Izuku's, but it's strong. Do you know the Blizzard? Hell's Blizzard, I guess. Hell's Blizzard from One Punch Man. Her level of telekinesis, you can say. Yep, her power. Now Inko wanted Izuku to be a very happy life, so she pull him out of preschool. Now Izuku is home studying most of the time. Inko, she is a hero now. She gained number 3's position at the yearly. Now Izuku is 7. Inko's pride and joy, everything is Izuku. Now Inko will happily sacrifice her own anything for Izuku. Now they live in a big mansion because Inko wants to her baby with a happy life. They have many others. They have many things. Izuku had everything he wanted, but one thing he doesn't have now, the friends part. Now Izuku does not have friends because he is a little bit of shy, but not that shy. But he doesn't have friends. Now Izuku's mom doesn't mind because her pride and joy is safe. She is happy that every part. Now Inko was given the position number 2 hero. Now Inko did not accept it because if the position of number 2 hero got to her, the problem is she won't able to be with her son that much. Now so she didn't take the number 2 position. She wanted to take she stayed the number 3. Now we go to the middle, not the last day, but the second year of middle school. Now in the middle school, Mitsuki is friends with Inko. Yes, Bakugo and Izuku doesn't know each other at all. Now in here Bakugo is a female. Sorry guys. If you are wondering, I'm not doing a gay ship. I hate fucking gays. Now I know I don't judge people by their what they like, but I don't like stories with gay ships. I totally hate this. Now Izuku here. Inko was going out on trip. Now Izuku most of the time played game in his PC and other PS4s. Most of the time he played game. Now Izuku's psychic power was so strong. Is so strong. So doctor named it the psychic. Doctor named the quirk psychic. Now it was so strong that he can even pull down the moon itself. Now Izuku tried many times to pull down the moon, but whenever he does it, he had a slightly headache. Now he has a move. He can bring out meteorite from outer space to attack. Now he didn't go berserk at all. He is a happy-go-lucky child at any cost. Every time he is happy on other. Now let's get into the third. No, wait. Now Izuku, he doesn't get out that much. Now he does get out. He doesn't have friends that much, but he has friends in online games and stuff. So he is not totally isolated. Now he has friends in online. This is going to be harm, guys, if you're wondering. Yes, it's going to be harm. Now Izuku went out in a cafe. Really, he wanted to eat something. Cafe shit. Now he's not flying, he's just walking normally. Now he had eight he has 8 rib pack. Now how, guys, Izuku does work out. Remember, he has mobs person. He does have mobs berserker form, but he's cheery more than anything. So his mom said, "You cannot stay fat, my boy. You need to be perfect at any condition." Now Izuku's mom literally protect her baby boy from anything dangerous. Now Inko has said, "You won't do the entrance exam. I'm going to give you recommendation." Now yes, Izuku is going to recommendation there. Now All Might and Inko, they're good friends each other. Now All Might tried to impress Inko many times, but Inko is unimpressed by everything because her pride and joy is the thing only can impress her. Now no, it's not. Inko doesn't like her son with that romantic way. I'm not a sexist, guys. Now All Might tried to impress Inko many times. Now and one thing, with Izuku's 1% power or anything, he can share his power. And what happened, Izuku can change people look by his physical power. Psychic power. He can change people's personality. Even he can break their mind and yep, like that shit. Now he was in cafe, minding his own business. He watching his just watching Facebook in his phone. Now suddenly a girl came. Now the girl busting to the door like a punk tomboyish. So wow, the girls are really tomboyish most. He just laughed a little bit. Now it was Katsumi, female Bakugo. Now he literally doesn't mind. Now Katsumi had every table was there booked. Only Izuku had one table left. Now Katsumi friend and the stretchy finger guy is going to be girl here, and the wing dude is going to be girl here also. Now the trio came into the seat. Now Izuku was minding his own business, having tea. Now what happened there? They said, is the seat taken? Now Izuku said, "No, really, have it." Now they were talking their own business. Now Izuku had some headphone, doesn't want to listen to girl girl talk. I cannot pronounce that properly for some reason. Now, what happened that time? A villain threw the car at the cafe. Now, it was gaining to Izuku's table now. Izuku just holding the car with his psychic power. Now Izuku said, so we cannot have a normal day but having trouble, huh? Now Izuku just having a little smug, just like in this picture, holding the car and car is getting crushed, just like the spoon is getting crushed, car is getting crushed, and the villain is getting scared most of the part. Now what Izuku did, I don't have the reference, but okay, I try to show you. Now guys, this is the scene. Now please don't give me copyright for this, guys. Now guys, you seen Izuku did this to the villain got knocked out by the second. Now Kasumi and her friend were instantly awestruck. Now Izuku fixed the cafe there. Now the cafe owner thanked Izuku and said, "Oh, I have to visit. I must pay for my coffee." Now said, "No, my boy, it's okay. Whenever you came here is one of the treats are free. I mean, every time you came here, the 50 discount. We will give you discount, my boy." Oh my God, it's fucking raining right now. Oh, then now some of the heroes just tried to ask him, said coke uses were prohibited. Now said, "Oh, sorry for that, but you seems you needed help, so take care." Izuku just fly away to his own home. Now Katsumi wanted to talk to him even more now, but just by seeing his sheer amount of power, she felt a tug. I mean, first it was scared, and second, her pride broke at the moment he saw the boy's power. His friend was just more terrified than anything. Said, "Oh, that boy is very terrifying." Now, Izuku, he went to his own home, and his mom can feel. Mom came home. Said, "Oh, my baby, you're home." Said, "Oh, yes, mom, I'm home." Said, "How was your day?" Said, "Oh, it went good." Said, "What did you go to out?" Said, "Oh, mom, you know something? I just defeated every villain just by one single hit. I know you will do everything. I know you are safe." Now said, "Thank you, mom." Now said, "Oh, I need to go." Said, "Oh, son, my friend Mitsuki is going to come here at the dinner time, at the lunchtime. My friend Mitsuki is going to come here at lunch, you know." Said, "Okay." Said, "Oh, and her daughter is also going to come." Said, "Okay." Now Izuku doesn't care literally about anything. Now he said, "So I will be on my room then. Goodbye." Izuku went to his room. He's playing some battle royale games and other stuff. Now Izuku can sing, if you are wondering. Yes, Izuku can sing, dance. Now Izuku is singing. Wow, there is really fucking raining, man. Forget that. Now Izuku doesn't swear that much around his mom, but he swear when he got angry. Now Izuku playing some battle royale game, and Izuku is ultra intelligent in his own stuff. Everything he touches, he has ultra intelligence. Now Izuku did apply to UA. Now remember, guys, it is now the last day of middle school here. Not the last day, I mean second year of middle school. Now it is now skip time to the dinner time. Izuku is on his room. Now Mitsuki and her friend came. Now Inko's friend Mitsuki came. Now if you're wondering about Hasashi, yes, he died. Hasashi never cheated on her. He died. Now oh sorry. Now, Inko's friend Mitski and her daughter came, said, hello, Inko, said, hello there. Now said, sorry, Inko, I should call you by your hero name Blizzard. No, don't need to call me, you're my close friend, you can call me Inko, Said, oh, okay. Now said, oh, hey, this is my daughter, Katsumi Bakugo, said, hello, auntie, nice, hello. Now, Katsumi was very idolized. Katsumi idolized All Might and Inko most of it because the Fire Hero was an asshole. Now, Katsumi always idolizes Inko and All Might. Now, said, good, nice to meet you, Mom. I'm a big fan of yours. Said, oh, do not worry. Said, now, okay, now. Now, the whole house was so big that Katsumi said, oh, damn rich they used. Now, the whole house was so big that they were touring most of the part. Now they're on the living room. Big house, big living room, and made served coffee. Now said, oh, Inko, I know you had a son. We never met him. Said, oh, he is on his room. Really, he's in his room. Said, okay. Said, okay. Call me. Said, now she said one to the maid. Said, Amelia, could you go and call Izuku to come here? Said, oh, yes, miss. Now, she went to Izuku's room, said, master. Said, yes, Amelia? Amelia said, master, mistress wanted to meet you. Said, oh, okay. He did, now guys, if you're wondering, yes, he can teleport. Now, why did I give him the ability? I wanted to. Now, Izuku just teleported there. And the couch said, you called, Mom. Said, yes, my boy. Said, yes, honey. Said, oh, this is Mitsuki. Said, nice to meet you, Izuku. I am Mitsuki Bakugo. Said, nice to meet you, miss. Now, Izumi saw, cancel that. Katsumi just saw the boy that who defeated the villain with one single swoop. Now, Izuku is here happy. Now she just said, oh shit, now she is full on red here. Now, yes, she is not an asshole here. Now, he just blushed by the single moment he came. Now said, oh, hello, Izuku Midoriya. Izuku said, oh, Katsumi Baku, nice to meet you. Said, yes, nice to meet you. Now said, oh, you two can hang out there. We wanted to talk in private matters. Now, Izuku said, okay. Said, Izuku, take her to your room. Said, oh, okay, Mom. Now, they went to his room. Izuku's room is filled with games and other stuff. Now I'm showing you his room. This was Izuku's bedroom. Now there was another room. With there. Now said, Izuku said, oh, hey, this is my room. Said, Katsumi just saw, oh shit. Now said, huh? Your room is totally awesome. Said, oh, thank you. I designed it myself, really. Now Katsumi just saw the gaming room. So you are a full-on game nerd. Said, not a game nerd, really. I like games, so I like to play them professionally and fully. Oh, so you have a very nice room. Izuku said with a face, said, thank you. Now, they were playing some games and talking, chatting. Now, said, Midoriya, you're really an awesome person. Said, thank you. Oh, you can call me Izuku. Said, oh, okay. Then you call me Katsumi. Then said, okay then. Now, they call each other by their first name for first meeting because they like to hang out each other. So now Izuku said, it's not bad to hang out. Said, huh? Katsumi said, you see, I never really hang out with people that much. Said, why? You see, I was most of the time homeschooled, so I didn't get out to be playing with friends and other mainly. You didn't have friends. Said, yes. Now, said, I can be your first friend if you want. Said, oh, thank you then. Now it was Katsumi's first friend also. Now Katsumi does, she has the, she has the ideal of, she doesn't remember everybody's name just like Ken and Bakugo, but she considered them as friends also. Now Izuku had good time with her. Now Mitsuki and Inko, they were getting to his room and they were had giggling and a laughing sound. They were having fun up that time. Now said, Mitsuki said, my daughter normally doesn't laugh like that only. What do you mean? Inko said. But you see, she doesn't really take shit much of people, but it was the first time really she is having fun with some. Now they said, Izuku, you're so funny now. Wow, she first time really called someone with name. Huh? She normally calls shitty hair or long hands. Oh, now, oh, it's really good, Katsumi. Oh, they're first name basis now. Now Izuku's mom said, having fun, son. Izuku said, yes, really, having a fun. Now said, oh then, now said, oh, she has to leave right now. Said, oh, okay. It was 10 p.m. at night. Now Izuku and Katsumi are parting ways, and Katsumi said, I had fun. Would you like to hang out more? Now Izuku said, yes, I would. Said, tomorrow then. Yes, tomorrow then. Oh, tomorrow is a day off. Said, oh, tomorrow is Friday. No, not Friday, sorry, I'm forgetting now. Oh, tomorrow is Sunday then. Yes, tomorrow is a day off. Would you like to hang out with me? Tomorrow said, yes, of course. Which time? How about 10 in the morning? How about 11 o'clock? Said, oh, okay. Well, I guess we're having fun now. Izuku and Katsumi having fun now. Katsumi, she has a feeling for Izuku, she can tell. She wanted to tell him, but she has too pride in herself. She won't tell him that easily. Now Izuku here, he doesn't literally care anything. He is having fun of his life. Now let's get to the last day of middle school. Izuku has recommendation and Katsumi asked him to train her. Now said, train you? You know my quirk is something. If I know, but you can train me, please, Izuku. She said, okay. Said, explosion, right? Said, yes. Have you ever tried to use explosion in your palm? Not in your hand, but try to make a fist and explosion in the outskirt of your palm. Said, oh. She tried, but she couldn't. But there was a little pop. Said, oh, then you can use it to just like a punch below them. Oh, I guess you're trained then. Izuku let her train explosion punch. She said, Izuku said, oh, you can also name the thing explosion punch. Now you will just have to you punch it and explode at that point. Said, oh. Now they were trying. Katsumi got little battle with her quirk. Now she can fly also with her quirk, just like in the anime, but little bit further. Now she can use her quirk in her feet to make her fly. Now Izuku can also fly, so she also tried to fly with him. Now Izuku said, wow, Katsumi, I never knew you could fly with your quirk. Said, I tried to do different things. Now I said, huh. Said, wanna have a race? Said, you know, Izuku, I will never win against you. Said, I know. Now Katsumi is getting stronger in every part. They have fun with themselves now. Now let's skip to the exam. Izuku's exam, he went number 1. Now Katsumi, she went number 1 entrance exam. Now at the week, now Izuku knows he is in. Now Izuku's mother is going to be teacher with All Might. Izuku's mother is intelligent, so she is going to be assistant homeroom teacher. Now with Aizawa, assistant homeroom teacher with Aizawa. Oh, and I forget to tell you, Aizawa is Izuku's uncle. Aizawa's nephew mean Inko is Aizawa's little sister. Now, not little sister mean be little big sister. Now, Aizawa really literally likes Izuku because of her nephew thing. Now, he has met Izuku many times. Izuku and they had fun. Now, Izuku healed his eye a little bit because of getting dried always. Now, he came to UA High too early, much early. So he went there and he saw his uncle Shota over there. Said, "Hey, Uncle Shota." Said, "Oh, hey, Izuku." Shota said sleepy. She said, "Oh, then you're still a lazy bump, Uncle." Said, "Yeah, yes, I am a lazy bump. You know, underground hero job is tough. I know, but still, why underground job? If you can become a hero with your quirk, you know." Said, "I don't like spotlight." Said, "No one can beat you with that, Uncle." Now, Izuku said, "Oh, Uncle, I'm gonna sleep also." Said, "Then go ahead, be my guest." Izuku sleep on the bench. Now, when they were sleeping, now suddenly someone came. It was Momo. Momo and Ida, they both came. Now, they saw Izuku sleeping. Now, Ida goes to introduce himself. Said, "Hey, hello." Said, hello. I said, I'm Tenya Ida from Somia Academy." Said, "Oh, okay, nice to meet you, Izuku Midoriya." Said, "Nice to meet you too, Midoriya." Now, another there was now they were said, "Oh, hello guys, I'm Momo Yairozu. Nice to meet you." Izuku said, Yairozu, huh? Oh, the rich family, I remember you now. You're Yairozu's princess, I guess. The Yairozu's. What is your quirk? Izuku says. "Oh, my quirk, creation. You know how her quirk works." Said, "Oh, that interesting." Said, "What is your quirk?" She said, "Oh, mine. You can say it's psychic." Said, "What does it do?" "You will see. I don't need to explain that now. I know something is going to happen. You will see soon." Okay. Now, said Ida. Said, "Oh, my quirk is engine." You know what is his quirk. Now, you guys all know what is his quirk. I don't need to explain that. Now, everyone started to fill up. Katsumi saw Izuku and get there. Said, "Hey, Izuku." Said, "Oh, hey, Katsumi. How did you do?" Said, "First, apparently." Huh. I knew you would go first. Izuku has a smile. Now, Ida get there and said, "Oh, you are the person who destroyed the 0-point robot." Now, not the forget that she didn't destroy the 0-point robot. Now, All Might is looking for successor. The successor is going to be not Izuku, Mirio. He is going to be Mirio. You see now. Is Mirio. All Might successor. All Might has given the quirk to Mirio already. Now, Izuku here, he is having his own life or time of fun now. They were chatting now. Suddenly Aizawa get up and said, "Hello guys, I'm Shota Aizawa. I'm your Harlem teacher." That thing happened. Now, another thing happened that said, "Get ready, we're going to do quirk apprehension test." Or said, quirk assessment test, Quirk assessment test now. Said, quirk assessment test. Now, Uraraka said, "What about the..." Now, who saved Uraraka? Katsume. She saved her. Now, how she just using her explosion at her feet to fly there and get her, just like that. She didn't destroy the 0-point robot or anything. Now Izuku now said, Ashota said, just now he saw, said, "Don't question, just go there." Now they went there. Now they were in the boys changing room. Izuku was changing. He had 8 ripped body. Now Kirishima and others. Kirishima said, "Oh man, what kind of training do you do, man?" Said, Nothing really. Said, just regular workout. Said, man, tell me, don't hide your secret. I wanna have that kind of body. That body will anyone will kill for that kind of body. Oh, it's just normal. 100 sit up, 100 push up, and just this. But said, you really don't wanna talk about it. Said, I literally told you about it, Now he said that now they didn't believe him that much. Said, why are you staring too much? You're staring too much, Said, I know, man, but that body, anyone will kill you for that. Now Izuku wear his not UA uniform, you can say sports uniform. Now Izuku went to the field. Now he was standing beside Katsumi, and Uraka was also beside. Said, oh, Katsumi said, oh, Izuku here. She is me introduced. Said, oh, this is Ochaku. Uraka said, oh, nice to meet you. Said, oh, my name is Izuku Midora. Nice to meet you too. Oh yes, Ochaku is friend with Bakugo here. Now they both have their ways of fun. They talk too much. Now Aizawa said, Katsumi Bakugo, step forward. She stepped forward. Said, what was your highest throw at middle school? Said, 70 meters. Said, okay, then throw the ball with your cork. Now she did also say die. Yes, she just said die some for a reason. Now said die. It goes up to 800 meters. Now yes, I have increasing his number because of Izuku's training. Now 800 meters. Said, whoa, this is going to be fun. Now said, fun, huh? Then okay, then wow, the person who is going to be last getting expelled. Now everybody said, no, you cannot do that the first day. Said, so the natural disaster and another the calamities and the villain attacks are fine, huh? Heroes in training is not to be just having fun and just regular student. You are in heroes in training, you will do heroic stuff every day, so this is nothing for a hero. Now All Might didn't try to watch, so All Might is not there. Now every part Izuku just demolished everywhere. Katsumi went second. Now it was the grip strength. Izuku did not do anything. He just uses his normal strength. Now Aizawa sees this and said, Izuku, use your quirk. Said, now Izuku said, you know what will happen. Said, yes, still use your quirk. Now said, okay. Izuku used to fully break the machine. Now Izuku here. Now everybody goes to throw ball throw. Uraka got infinity. Now Izuku's turn. Now said, Izuku Midoriya, your turn to throw the ball. Now the ball throw time. Izuku said, Izuku was thinking, should I use my quirk or not? Now what happened? Izuku said, I should use my quirk. Now Izuku was getting ready, a green light completely engulfing him. Now said, maybe I should go all out. He stared everyone with a bored expression and said, let's get on with it. Now Izuku just holding the ball, now with green light surrounding his hair, getting upward. Now Izuku with sheer power of his telekinesis pole and psychic pole, the earth is shaking mostly. Now the ground is shaking, getting cracked. Now Izuku got into throwing position. Now Izuku throw, the wind barrier completely broke and shockwave could be here everywhere from. Now the shockwave could be here from everywhere, the city where Izuku lived. And he threw the ball, it went to infinity. Now Izuku said, boring. Izuku said, It was good, really. Now everybody was just uh, abstract, and most of the times that sheer amount of power. As I was said, classic Izuku as always. Now Izuku just standing there and just laughed. Said, "Oh, I guess I used too much power again." Said, "Yes, you did." As I was said, "Ah, an uncle." I know the expression. Expel party is an act I know to give us our all. Said, "Ah, you fell. You. I know you will always get it now. I know you won't fail for that." So now, on the other hand, Mo is just said, "Oh, this boy just demolished most of the exam, and he is happy as always, having a great smile." Now she just seeing his smile and little bit of blushing and said, I don't mind being his girlfriend." I said, what am I saying? Said, friend, I guess. For now, we should start as friend now. They went inside the class as I was sleeping and said, "Introduce yourself, just get sleeping now." I said, "Oh," now everybody introduced themselves. Now come to Mama. Said, they also introduced now. Izuku said, "Oh, my name is Izuku Midoriya, sir, and Midoriya." Now Blizzard came. Now they were now Izuku's mom came. Now Blizzard. Now everybody was said, "Blizzard, help! Blizzard, the number 3 hero, she came." Now she just gave everybody a warm smile. Now Izuku is not faced or impressed by anything here. He has seen his mother face most of the time, so not impressed really. Bored look. Now sorry. Now bored look. Izuku doesn't get anything. Now his mom just went there and said, "Oh, my baby, how was the court assessment?" Said, mom, you feel the presence, I guess." Now said, "Mom?" Everybody just said, "Yes, she is my mom, so I have any problem with that." Now Inko Midoriya, I am going to show you her picture. Now she is Inko Midoriya here. She look like this. Now Minata said, now she is hugging Izuku here. Now Izuku here, face in her breast. Yep. Now Izuku said, "You are strangling me, mom." Said, "Oh, sorry." Now said, "Lucky bastard got a MILF as a mom. Lucky bastard got a mom as a MILF." Now Izuku just heard this, and the lights and the whole building is shaking, and said, "What did you say, little grape?" Now Izuku just said with a scary tone, said, "Nothing." Minata just said, "Oh, okay then." He went to his regular form. Now as I was said, "Oh hey sis," said, "Hey bro, you are sleeping, huh?" Just like always. Said, "Oh, then I'm going to do the rest of your class. As over here is a sleep aid, so we are going to do rest of us." Said, "My name is Inko Midoriya, by the way." Said, "Midoriya." Okay. Now they were doing normal class, and now the next day came. Next day, just like every other class, his mom. Now they can all see why Izuku is too much. I mean, her mom babies Izuku too much, that he is spoiled. He is not a spoiled brat, but he doesn't act smug, so he has everything he wanted in his life. Now Katsumi is very clingy to Izuku, and she most of the time stays with Izuku at her right by his side. And Ochako, on the other hand, yes, she is also because of Katsumi. Now most of the boys are jealous of Izuku here at his own time. Now the dome system will be starting soon here. Now after the USJ, the dome system will be applying. Now they were having their own time here. Now the next day came. Now All Might came to said, "Haha, I am coming to the door like a normal person." All Might came, and everybody excited. Now Izuku is not excited because he does see All Might as an idol, but he doesn't show it on his face. Now he's happy here. Now Katsumi has a hand full on happy mode. Her favorite idol is here. Now now Izuku's hero costume. Let's just I'm going to take I am going to show you that he's wearing this costume mainly. Now when he come out and everybody say your costume look cool, but why don't you have protection or anything? Why don't you have any kind of support item? Said support item. Said oh, you see now Inko is there also. Now you see I never got hurt really. No, really, no, even a nuclear missile cannot hurt me in my state. Huh? Said you see, I can stop a missile just in midair, so I don't get hurt normally, and I can shield myself, so I don't get hurt. Most of the point now. Everyone said his quirk is too overpowered. Some of them in their mind said, Now, Izuku is paired up with not Katsumi. I'm not going to do with that. Now, Izuku is paired it with Mina. Yep, Mina. Now, they were getting ready. They were say Shoto and Shoto. Yes, I'm going to do something here. Now they are going to do the a battle against Shoto and Ida. Shoto Todoroki and Ida, Tenya Ida, they are battling now. Mina said, and said, I'm gonna win in another way because you are in my team. Said, Do said, okay. Now she said, what is the plan, Izuku? Now what is the plan, Midoriya? Said, the plan. Just walk with me, the plan is that. Said, Said, okay, just then wait and see a little bit. Now, the whole building was engulfed in ice. Now, they can get in now. Not ice, man. The third floor was engulfed in ice. And Ida was running around he was searching for them now. Izuku said, then I guess. And now Izuku just started flying with Mina. Mina said, whoa, what's happening? He said, oh, don't freak out. I'm just taking us at the roof. Said, okay. Now they're taking them to the roof. Now they landed. Said, you have acid cook, right? Said, yes. Throw some acid here. I'm going to do something. Said, throw some acid on the ground. Now she did as he told. They make a hole in the inside. Now they can see there. Now what Izuku did. Izuku just simply jumped down the holes and went to the bomb room. Now Shoto was behind them. Now Izuku didn't make any sound. Izuku just flickered his finger and Shoto was knocked out cold. And Izuku said, it was pretty easy. Now said, oh Mina, listen. When I told you then touch the bomb, said, why don't we touch it? No, I wanna have some fun with Ida here. Fun? Said, yes, wait for me. Izuku just teleported there. Now they have mic and everything. Now they were gone. Now Izuku just started to fight. Said, now Izuku said to Ida, said, hey Ida. Said, yes. Yes, Midoriya. Said, wanna see some magic? Midoriya said. Now said, Said, wanna see a magic? Said, yes. Now said, now heroes team win, All Might says. Said, how the hell? Said, it's magic. Now Izuku just teleported her and Mina outside the building. Now said, it was fun really. Now Izuku just went, and then most of them cheered, and Maho is trying to get friend with Izuku. She did get friend with Izuku. They contact, exchange phone numbers and other stuff. Now Mina said, in the lunchtime. Now it's lunchtime. Mina said, hey guys, come on, let's sit with another. Now Mina, Izuku, Momo, Katsume, Uraraka, Ida, Kirishima, and Kaminari and the grape man, Minata. Yes, Minata. They were all sitting in the chair. Now Hinata knows that if he stays with Izuku, he can hug up a hot chick if he can. Now, Izuku was handsome for his own good, so I guess he can now. They all started to hang out once. And Amina said, "Guys, wanna go out some hanging out? Said, wanna hang after school?" Said, "Yeah, sure." Izuku said, "Oh, yeah, okay." Now, Izuku has money, so don't need to worry here. Now, Momo also there now said, "Yes, yes, of course, we hang out." Now they started hang out. They get out of school. They started hang out with on another, get to arcade and karaoke. Now arcade, Izuku wins most of the game because he plays game mode. Now Kaminari said, "Man, I cannot defeat you even in games." Now said, "Oh, you see, I always play game in my home, so you cannot defeat me at any game you see." Any game, huh? I bet now Mina doesn't know that dancing anyone cannot defeat Izuku in dancing also now. And I said, "Okay, then here is a dance game. Come on, let's play. Let's play here. Play with me." Said, "Okay." Izuku said, "Wait." Now they were getting ready. Here is the now. See them. See. Now Izuku Minmin said, "I cannot defeat you. You are good at dancing also." Said, "Yeah, little bit." I said, "That's little bit. That's a whole lot of step. That's a pro level dancing, you know." And I said, I know." So, oh, and guys, I don't know if I am going to get a copyright or anything, but help me, guys. I don't wanna get shit. No, I'm not going to stop here. Now Izuku here. They win most of the game. Now they were hanging out and restaurant said, "Oh," said, "it's probably," said, "Come on, let's go some to the restaurant." Now they go there as a group restaurant. Now Minata was there also, Kaminari also, so don't forget that. Now they were hanging. Now the restaurant was completely rich, too expensive. Now Kaminari Ida didn't say anything. Kaminari, Minata, and Kirishima, and Ochako, Katsume, nah, she didn't say anything, and some other girl, Mina also said, "Isn't it a little bit rich, expensive?" Said, "Oh, don't worry, if you can, I'm going to pay for your food. Have anything," Izuku said. Said, no, you don't need to do that." Said, nah, no problem really. I don't have any problem with doing it. Come on. He dragged them in with his psychic power. So he went inside. Now they order now. Ochako did order something, but she was embarrassed because she never let anyone decide her food other than herself. But it wasn't cheap; it was very expensive. Now, after they paying, now Yairuzu was about to pay for herself. Now Izuku said, "No, don't need to do. I'm paying for everyone." Izuku did. He paid for everyone. Now Yairuzu said, "But don't need to worry. I told you already." Said, "Oh, okay then." Now Mina said, "Oh, wanna go to arcade? Wanna go to karaoke or something?" Said, "Sure." Izuku said he was having fun. He said, "Sure." Now Kaminari and Minato, their pocket was completely empty, so they said, "No, we are going back. It's late already." Said, "Okay." Now Kaminari, Minato, they go away. Now Kirishima, Ida did also come. I know he was papered, but he wanted to hang out. Katsume, Ochako, Momo, Jiro also came. If you don't mind, Jiro also came. I forget to mention her. Now Mina, Izuku, they were ahead to karaoke. Now karaoke, Jiro did sing. Izuku said, "Wow, you have a nice voice." Said she just blushed at the statement. Said, "Thank you." Said, "No need to worry." Now it was many of them sing. Momo did try to sing, but it was good. Now Izuku said, "It's Izuku's turn now. I'm not going to show you anything. I don't wanna get copyrighted. Now I don't wanna get copyright strike here." Now Izuku did sing. Izuku's song was most good of everyone. Now Ikoka said, Your song is good. Your voice is very beautiful for your singing." Said, "Oh, thank you very much." He said, "Oh." Izuku just, yeah, he's yawning and said, "Oh, it's really late. I guess we need to leave now." Izuku did pay for karaoke also. Momo wanted to, but couldn't. Now the next day, all them exchange their phone number. Izuku has fun after many long. He has some real friends now. Izuku's mom asked him, "Izuku, why was he so late?" "Mom, I was hanging out with friends." Izuku's mom just laughed and said, "So my little baby is having friends. Good, huh?" Now said, "Yes, mom." Now what happened here? Katsumi's mom went with his father to a little bit of vacation, and she said, "Oh, and Katsumi is staying with Izuku for some days." Now Izuku was happy because her friend she can stay. Now Izuku playing game at night most late because he always gets up late little, but he doesn't have problem in sleeping just like Aizawa. He doesn't get dark spot under his eye. Now Izuku's having his own fun playing games. Now Katsumi came at the night. She just saw Izuku just playing games. She said, "Still playing games, huh?" Said, "And what about why are you here?" Said, "Couldn't sleep really." "Okay, oh, I'm going to sleep right now. Wanna sleep together?" She just blushed at the statement. Now Izuku is an airhead on this part. Now she doesn't understand girls feeling that much. Now she said, "You remember you're a boy and a girl." Said, I forget about this. Sorry." Now Izuku went to sleeping on his sleeping. Said, "You wanna sleep here or I am taking the floor?" Said, "You can sleep in the bed if you want." Said, "Okay." They sleep in the bed. Now unknowing to her, in the night Izuku just cuddled up and hugging Katsumi there. Now Katsumi blushing, she cannot sleep with that. Now Izuku just let go of her. Now went opposite side. Now Katsumi went to the side and said, "I like it." Now Katsumi also wrapped her arm around hugging Izuku here. Now she didn't notice that she wasn't wearing bra or any other thing, but in a nightgown with a long shirt. She does like to sleep naked, he feels. Now Izuku here in the morning, he just wake up, had a morning bone. Now Izuku, what the fuck? Now Izuku just went open eye and met with very big size breasts. Now and here Katsumi Bakugo's look. Now Now it was unexpected for her to do this. Now 18 plus continues ahead. The kids get out of here. Now Katsumi did some unexpected thing, but she never thought she will do. Now she just went up. I mean, she was at the top of Izuku. Then they were staring at each other like it was when the whole world time stopped. Then they went close to each other. They did a kiss. Now they did a kiss there. Now they were moving away. A little bit of makeout session there. Izuku groping her breast a little bit having moan, little bit of moan coming out. Now Izuku did everything. Now she leaving a kiss on her neck, and but now Katsumi did doing the same thing a little. Now her hand was going to Izuku's crotch, mean Izuku's member. Now before Izuku went up. Izuku went up for getting control and getting on top of her. Now Izuku is groping her breast with her lap, another way she is sucking one breast. Now she is getting more on another step. Now she is getting full on horny now. Now what Izuku did, Izuku just went in, getting his hand inside her panties and using his middle finger to, you know what, letting her little pressure. Now suddenly the door opened. Inko just said, oh sorry. Now they just stopped what they were doing. Said, Mom ruined one thing in my life. Now let's stop the fun. Now stop the fun here, guys. I'm gonna stop the fun. Now guys, the fun has to stop. Sorry for that, but now it is the main. I know the seducting series is going to come, but forgive me, but today is really going to select a series is going to come. But I wanted to do this series badly, so I did it. Now they did. Now Izuku said, Mom ruined something really. Now Katsumi said, so does this make us a thing? Said, oh yes. Now he was about to say. Now she said, does it make us? Now Izuku just kissed her. Now doing some kiss and said, does it answer your question? Said, yes, it does. She said blushingly. Now they went get dressed. Now Izuku went down there and mom teasing him said, so son, when I'm getting grandchild, when I'm going to be a grandma. Now said, Mom, you really are desperate for. Said, you should go get a boyfriend for yourself. You know, Mom. Said, I never thought of it. Now All Might does like Inko here. Yes, I'm going to do some shit here. All Might does like Inko here a little bit. He always want to hang out with Inko, but Inko doesn't do that much because she of her worry of her son, and most of the time she also worried of her son. Now let's get on with it. Izuku. The next day Izuku came, the Aizawa came and said, we are going to USJ, and every other shit happened. Now Inko didn't come there because she had a hero. I mean, she went to a mission because not California really. She's the number 3 hero in the world, I guess. Now she was on the other side. I mean, she was in Tokyo, fighting some villain. She will come later. Now not later, I mean she come after a week really. Now Izuku and Katsumi are going. All Might has a limit, you guys know. He wasn't there. Now the limit time. Now said All Might will be there later on. They said All Might was supposed to be here. Said yes, he bet you later. Now they went inside. Everything happened. 13 answered the question. Now said, wow, they have fake villains here. Now said fake villains. There was a real villain, Kirishima. Izuku said, huh? Huh, Midori bro, what? Said those are real villains. Now, Izuku also got ready. He made a barrier around his classmate that no one could came in. Now, Kurogiri tried to came in, but I don't know if he can or not. Let's just say he cannot. Now, he is using his psychic power to get Kurogiri out. Now he is not using his full strength. Now this is something going to get berserk here. Now, what Shigaraki said, no, kill that brat. It was aimed at Izuku. Now the Nomu did break the barrier of Izuku. Now it went to Izuku, it punches Izuku in the face. It did not knock him out, just throw him at the wall. Now everybody said, huh? That thing is stronger than Izuku here. Everybody started to panic a little bit. Now Kurogiri did not teleport all of them. Now the Nomu said, Nomu, kill some brats here. Now Nomu was about to kill. Now that was Momo. She was about to get crushed by. Now what Izuku did, Izuku just suddenly appeared in front of it and said, huh, so you are strong really for some reason. Now Izuku just holding his punch with arm, and he also using his punch make it go off the wall. Said, huh, let's see how you take it on. Now they were fighting. Now the battle was not like All Might. Now Izuku is toying with the Nomu. Now Izuku just lost control for some moment. Now why? Because he was distracted. The Nomu caught his neck and squeezing it, about to make him die. Then wait a second. Now Izuku lost control of himself. Now he fell into the ground. Now he wasn't waking up. Now no, good job Nomu. Now kill some of them. Now what happened? Izuku just wake up. Izuku is wake up just like this. There was not crack, but light green surrounding his whole body. Now the ground was shaking. Now the rocks of everywhere floating around. Now the USJ building was not there complete. It was just the sky was getting showed. Now what Izuku did, he just breaking the Nomu's leg, arms, head, everything, cutting it into, slicing it into pieces, and now the Nomu is dead. Now what happened to rest of the villains? Suddenly Izuku wake up at the hospital. No, not the hospital, Rikabika's room. Said, huh? What happened? Izuku said, what happened? Now Rikabika said, you lost control. Said, huh? I lost control? It never happened to me. How? Now said, I don't know, kid, but you did lose control. I don't know. Now said, what happened really? Now the memory came to Izuku. Said, he remembered making the Nomu cut into pieces and getting it over. Now the other villains, breaking every villain's bones and legs in there. Now the building was completely there was no building really. The rocks were floating everywhere. The USJ was not there. Now Izuku suddenly started to cry, and Katsumi and other went around and hugged him. Now Katsumi hugged him, and Mom also hugged him. Now he started crying and reforming the USJ fully. Now everybody was surprised at the sheer amount of power. Everything went back the same. But the Nomus and the villains, they were like this. Now Izuku just passed out there. Now everybody said, now Kaminari and Minato said, if he lose control, he become a monster. Now that is a pure monster here. Now the girls were fully impressed on Izuku's power, and the boys were a little bit afraid of him. Now Aizawa couldn't even comprehend. Now Aizawa take Izuku in his arm and said, I'm taking him to the recovery girls' room. Everybody follow me. Now he take him to the recovery girls. Now he wake up and I guess I'm gonna sleep a little bit. Said Sunny, rest here. Said okay. He's just resting now. Katsumi, Momo, Mina, Jiro, and Uraka did no, fuck that bitch. Now, let's just say she came. Uraka also came. They were now. Izuku just wake up and having a weight in his chest and saw. Wait a second. How many people? No more. Mina, Jiro. 5 people. He saw 5 people there and I said, huh? All girls, huh? Now he wake up and he doesn't want to wake up the girls, so they wake up, said, Izuku, are you okay? Kasumi just hugged him and taking her to her breast part. Now taking his head into her breast. Now she is having fun. Izuku said, I am fine. Now they wake up and Izuku was going to home. Now Izuku gone to home. Now they were given a 1 week full rest. Now 1 week to recover. Now Izuku here in his home, he was a little bit gloomy. They are not gloomy because he lost control. His power got a little bit upper. Now her mother did not came because she had worked there also. Now All Might also happened to be there for some reason. Plot. Now Inko and All Might they meet a little bit. They have hanging out, having fun. Inko is having started to have feelings for All Might, and now All Might said, I love this woman too much. This woman is awesome. Now what is Katsumi and Izuku at the night. Izuku is sleeping on his room. Katsumi came and said, Izuku said, oh, hey Katsumi. Said, can I sleep? Said, yes, of course. Now said, can we have some fun? She said, selectively. Said, okay. Said, then okay, then little lemon here. Now Izuku, she came and said, then let's have some fun. She removing her everything. Now every cloth there. Wait a second. This picture is appropriate. Now everything they started having. They're using that turn to have a dominating part. Now everything happened the same dominating part. Now Izuku is winning the tongue war. Now Izuku said, oh, we don't have protection. Said, now Katsumi said, I am prepared for that. She goes to her pocket and bring it. And said, oh wow, really Katsumi, you are ready then. Now they're doing something very funny and awesome thing, having fun. Izuku is groping her chest, most of the time groping chest, and then having tongue water, leaving hickeys on her body. Hickeys on her body and her neck. Now Katsumi did the same a little bit. Now Katsumi did the same, and Katsumi went to Izuku's crotch. Member's place. Now the member. Now she is fondling the member in her hand, and Izuku's mind said, oh, that feels good. Now said, huh, I know. Now she removing her panties and other stuff, having fun, removing her panties and other stuff. They are having their own time. Now she went completely naked there. Now Izuku, before anything said, she said, eat me up, Izuku. He said, eat me up, my Izuku. Now she just said that, and Izuku went on top of her and said, okay, your wish is my command. Izuku started groping her one breast with one hand, another, and sucking her other with his mouth, having the time of his life. And then leaving some hickeys over there on her body. Now then he came down to her panties and now her pussy. He started licking it and sucking on it. Now Katsumi said, I am having fun. Now she is having some heavy on there. Now Izuku wear the condom and using it means he thrusted into her. They thrusted into her. The blood did come. Now Izuku just waited there for some minute, waited for 1 minute to she adjust to the pain. Now suddenly Katsumi said, I'm ready, move on. I'm ready, move. Now they were doing very hardcore. He is having heavy mind. Now the moan was getting very louder, so Izuku just kissing her with the other side. Now the moaning. Now and let's just stop here. Let's just stop that part. Now after that the pussy warden said Izuku said, I have another style. They went to doggle style. They were doing some testing and she also having fun. Now said I wanna make you mine permanently. Said make me your Izuku make me your. Now what Izuku did, he using his cock into her asshole. Yes, her ass. Now said, nobody did this to you, right? Now said, yeah, you are going to be mine permanently. Using his cock. Yes. Using his cock into her asshole. She started mowing and painted with, then getting faster and pleasant. Said, oh God, this is so good. The screaming in pleasure. Oh God, so good. And then now this both fighting and getting in the bed. Said, I had fun. Now Izuku and Katsumi they are sleeping now. Katsumi's dream. Izuku and they are married. They had a son with them now. Suddenly she wake up at the morning with the alarm. Now said, the fucking alarm ruined a perfect dream. Now after not after a week, in the weekend, Katsumi went to her own home. Her mom come back. Now she told her mom that now Izuku and she is officially a couple. Now she is happy with her own time. Now Izuku here in her room. Now he said, what should I do? I'm bored really in the house. Now Izuku went outside. Now when Shinko is not still home, he didn't lock the home, but he has servant there, so he doesn't need to worry. Now Izuku he went out of the house to do some research. Not research really, let's just say he wanted to go out very badly. Now he's gone out. He didn't really notice that he was in the Todoroki's home area. Now he was flying, so he using his power quirk, flying most of the part. Now Izuku saw a girl with white. Now Izuku was flying, so he saw a person is getting a little bit distressed. Now yes, this person is really beautiful, really. Now Katsumi is also beautiful, but she was a little bit older. Now Izuku was also into the older woman, so he doesn't mind. Now I'm going to little bit decrease her age. I don't know in anime what was her age, but I'm going to do 18. Her age is 18 for now. Now she did graduate early. Now she is in, you can say, college. She is a college student. I know, but I'm sorry, she did get college early. Just roll with it. I don't know, but her age is 18. Now Izuku here. Izuku was here 14. Yes, the anime age. Now, Izuku, he does like his every word here. Now, he was just flying by. Now he saw a girl was desperate, and now suddenly some thugs get to her. Now she said, can I help you anything with? Now the thug said, yes, you can help us with giving us some pleasure. Said, huh? And said, yes, you heard us right. You gonna give us some pleasure. Now they took Fumiya forcefully. Now Izuku saw this and saying, thug's a thug always. Now he gotta intervene. Now what Izuku did, the thugs were about to get grope her boobs, but now Izuku what did? Izuku just came fly and slammed into one of the thugs. Now said, sorry, I didn't see you there, but are you in trouble, miss? Izuku said. Now Izuku was taller. He was height of Ira. Now she was little bit taller than, just 1 inch taller than Izuku. Now said, are you okay, miss? Now said, thank you. She just said thank you. Now said, you bastard. Now the other thug came with his quirk that can make knives. Now Izuku said, you can make knives, huh? Inconvenient. Now what Izuku said, Izuku just punched him into the wall and said, wow, you really are weak. Now the other thug said, you bastard, he had a gun, he was quirkless. Now the other thug was quirkless, so he had a gun. Not gun, let's just say he had Uzi and UZ. He had a UZ, so he uses the UZ to using continue. But now the bullet was stopped at the middle. Now said, guns, huh? Sorry for the trouble, but the guns cannot even harm me, you know. Now Fumiya was at the awestruck, and her heart was beating faster, and said, what is this? It's the first time someone has something is happening to me now. What is issue? Fumiya was little bit of hurt there. Now her wrist was little bit of cut that time, and now he using the thug that could make knives, so he did cut her little bit. Now what Izuku did, now Izuku just throwing the bullet at him. Now Izuku did not kill him, but Izuku just scared him by using the bullet out of his. Now he didn't shoot him. Now the thug ran away, making his friend now said, are you okay then? Are you okay, miss? Said, thank you. Said, my. Said, okay then, bye. Said, wait. Said, yes. Said, my name is Fumiya Todoroki. He couldn't remember the name because he doesn't care for asshole people. Said, okay. Now he said, how rude. My name is Izuku Midoriya. Nice to meet you. Said, no. Said, thank you, Midoriya-san. Said, no, don't worry, Mr. Todoroki-san. Call me Fumiya. Said, said, okay, you can call me Izuku then. Said, oh, thank you, Izuku-san. Said, don't worry, Fumiya. Now said, I should heal you here. Now what he did, Izuku just heal her wounds and making her clothes again get mean her clothes were a little bit of torn, so she did her clothes back. Now said, what is your clothes? Said, psychic. You can see it's latter like telekinesis, but not at the same time. Said, okay then. Said, should I escort you to your home? Said, no need. Said, no, I insist. Said, thank you. Said, okay, would you like to go by there flying or go there by walking? Said, you can fly. Said, yes. How did I came from the sky? Said, okay, then they both started to fly and said, she is having fun for the first time. Said thank you. Said thank you for what? Said I always want to fly with this, but fly have fun. Said